To another roasting video. Unfortunately, Bob the Builder can't be here tonight. I decided to give him the week off. Anyway, I'm gonna roast Trenton Rose right here. Hello. And anyway, let's start. Actually, we're gonna do some Yo Mama jokes instead. How about that? Go and give your best Yo Mama joke, Trenton, or TR, Mr. Rose, Mr. Flowery Flower. Yo Mama's so fat, she woke up on both sides of the bed. Is that the best you got, boy? What you got? Oh, man. Yo Mama's so short, she committed suicide by jumping off the bed. That's nothing. Your mom is so stupid. She sold her car for gas money. Man, that's nothing, man. Let the camera out. Well, your mom is. Well, your mom is so old, she still owes Jesus $5. Yeah, but that's a maximum of $5 million. Yeah, good luck with that. Will you get away from the cameraman? Said cameraman. Wait, whose turn is it? It's my turn, boy. And speaking of boys, your mom's so ugly. One direction went the other direction. And then there's a close stop before boys, but ew, what an ugly lady. Man, talking about my mama like that. No, I'm sorry. Die. Now. Well, it's my turn for the ultimate joke. Yo mom is so nasty, she ate your sternum and then threw it back up in your mouth. Ooh, what you got? You, man. You, mother, talk about my mama like that. Alright, god damn you mother. Talking about my mama like that, mother girl. Man, I hope you a brick and piss a golf ball. Man, you can kiss nobody's ass but mine. Okay. Oh God.
Once again, not doctored, not a joke. Kevin Owens on July 5th, 2014.
Guess it's her. Man, talk about my mama like that. Man, no, die. Man, I hate you. Now I freaking, I have freaking business. You kiss nobody's ass but mine, man. Oh, God darn, it stinks. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this funny video. Hope you enjoy. Sorry about the magazine back there, by the way. Okay, see you later. Don't copy Bob the Builder, man. No, you.